Relax to the soothing sound of the parps accord. 22 trumptuous parps, lovingly gathered and gently placed together for the first time in one place. Parp Monthly say, this generous collection of parps is a real treat for all parpophiles. Susan Kennedy of bottomline.com calls it pure parpistry, featuring such classics and era-defining trumps as and the unforgettable. Own a piece of parpistry, available on CD, limited edition gatefold LP, and exclusive MP3 download containing live performances, recordings, and digitally remastered B-sides.